Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are doing the unboxing video of this mystery box. Let's check what's inside this box. And this is a mystery box, and this mystery box is about the Blueberry acoustic guitar. Which you can see the version, that is the BD38 and acoustic guitar, Blueberry companies. And this accessories are belt, string set, and two plectrum and bag. The international craftsmanship. Okay, we'll unbox this, and we have this Blueberry guitar bag. You can see this is a Blueberry guitar bag. Next we'll keep this aside, and we have another this paper something. I have opened it. So this is a guitar. You can see this is my first guitar. I'm very excited to open this. Okay, oh shush. This is a guitar. You are going to see this. Okay, we'll unboxing it later. First of all, keep this aside. And this box consists of this belt. You can see this belt. Okay, we'll keep it aside. And strings of the guitar, and the two picks have also been included in this. Two picks and strings. And this set, this is it comes with truss rod. This is the manual of the Blueberry company, instruction manual for guitar. And where is that? I'm searching for. Okay, it is here. This is the tool. We can say the tool for truss adjustment of the guitar. Okay, truss rod guitar adjustment. You can say that. Okay, this is the guitar. I will show you. This is the guitar, guys. You can see this guitar. You can see this guitar, right? These are tuning keys. You can tune the guitar with this. You can use a mobile app for tuning, or you can use a digital tuning instrument. It will come with the guitar if you buy. This has strings. Okay, you can see the sound. Okay, it's very good sound guitar. This is a Blueberry acoustic guitar, BD38 series. It's very good sound. I'm very excited. This is my first guitar. We'll learn this guitar, and I will show you in the future videos of the guitar songs. Okay, I hope you like this video, and you can check the guitar. What is it? The color is very good. The shade of the black and the red is a busty red color guitar. You can see this. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please support me, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this, and we'll rock it. Thank you.